Hi, and welcome to Become a Fluent English Speaker. If you want to speak English slowly, clearly, and confidently, you are in the right place. Today, you will relax, you will listen, and you will improve your English step by step with me. My name is Laura, and I am very happy you are here today. Before we begin, please remember one important thing. You do not need to be perfect to speak English fluently. You only need practice, patience, and time. If you are listening to this podcast now, you are already improving. You are training your ears, your mind, and your confidence, all at the same time. So please, relax your shoulders. Take a slow breath in, pause, and breathe out. Good. Let's begin. Many English learners think, I must speak more to improve my speaking. But here is the truth. Good speakers are good listeners first. Think about children. Children listen and listen and listen again. They do not study grammar books. They do not worry about mistakes. They simply listen and understand. When you listen to English every day, your brain starts to learn naturally. Your brain learns sentence structure, pronunciation, and rhythm. And slowly, without stress, English comes to your mind when you speak. That is why daily listening is so powerful. Let me tell you a short story. Last year, I met a woman. Her name was Anna. She said to me, Laura, I understand English, but I cannot speak. I smiled and I asked her, how much English do you listen to every day? She thought for a moment. Then she said, only in class, maybe 10 minutes. So I gave her simple advice. Listen to English every day, not for grammar, just for understanding. Anna started listening while cooking, while walking, and before sleeping. After 3 months, something changed. She said, Laura, English sentences come to my mind automatically. This can happen to you too. No, listen carefully. Do not repeat. Just listen and understand. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing well. Thank you. How about you? I'm feeling relaxed. I listened to English podcasts this morning. Simple, natural, real English. Fluent English is not about big words. It is about clear communication. The more you listen, the easier it becomes. If you ever feel frustrated, please remember this. Every minute you listen is progress. Every podcast makes you better, even if you feel slow. You're moving forward. Some days, you do not see improvement, but one day, you will speak and surprise yourself to get the best results. Listen once, without pressure. Listen again, while relaxing. Listen every day, even for 10 minutes. Do not translate every word. Trust the process. Fluency is a journey, not a race. Thank you for listening today. Come back tomorrow and make English a part of your daily life. This is Laura, reminding you, you are capable, you are improving, and you will speak fluent English. See you next time.